It's your Captain Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions. So you see right here, we're doing our inspection, our pre-inspection here. We're about to do a exterior soft wash around the eaves and under the overhangs there. You see some mildew. That's what that black area is right there. It looks a little weathered right there. The paint's a little bit dry. This house was built in 2015, so it's about 10 years old. Some more mildew right there. You can see looking up that fascia board right there underneath it. Right, we treated all that. Making our way out to the front here, and this is the other side of the house there, right up on that top of underneath the eaves and overhangs under the rafters there. You notice that heavy mildew buildup. Here we are getting ready to just wet everything down, hose it down before we actually provide the actual treatment or the application. Wet those windows down, right? Where everything cleans up nice and fresh. That's not the application. That's just simply water, right? And it's a soft wash, no high pressure. There we're cleaning there. That's a hardy board, or what they would call T111, and a stucco exterior. We're wetting everything down here, getting it nice and wet. Go ahead and get those windows all wet as well, especially if it was a little warm day that day. And down here you see us applying the application. It's about a 1.5% mix, right? And you see the surfactant there. So it's basically giving it a bubble bath. So we did this all the way around, especially where it was a heavy buildup, and it begins to work immediately. As soon as it's on contact, it begins to work immediately. And here shortly, you'll be able to see some of the after footage on how it turned out really, really nice. So here we are, just giving it a little bit of dwelling time, letting it do its thing. And now I'm going to come back and try to get that camera to focus in. Now there's that board. It was all black at first, remember, from the mildew. That's what it's like. So now we're going to go ahead and grab our equipment there and get ready to walk the perimeter and just do after video footage there. Show how everything came out. And it was just pretty much a textbook. That's how we do it. All the plants were all wet down, and property protection was done. As we get done cleaning, put everything back in place. And yeah, our clients here are really, really satisfied and gave us a recommendation on our neighborhood next door. So we really appreciate that. On that side right there, that's the other side of it. You probably can't tell it's good just from the angle because it's not a big enough side where the neighbor's fence was, so couldn't really get up in there and see. So you see me pointing to showing where all of that first, that fascia board right there was all black underneath there, under those rafters there. On the inside of that fascia board, all clean, and as well on the outside there where the towels overlap. That area was black at first initially. Right here, this part was a really heavy area, and we had to treat that a couple of times. We're looking all under the eaves and overhang right there. Cleaned it really nice. Look at that fascia board up there. Remember, it was black initially. And so that's the Supreme Clean. Visit us online at allterraine.com. We'll love to come out and assist you.